Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has caught our attention for all the right reasons, the 5-quart glass air fryer with a non-toxic high borosilicate basket. We found this gem online and have included a link in the description so you can check its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this air fryer? The 5-quart glass air fryer is a versatile cooking appliance that uses hot air circulation to fry, roast, bake, broil, and reheat your favorite foods with significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. Its standout feature is the high borosilicate glass basket, which is completely uncoated, ensuring that your meals are free from harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFAS, and BPA. This is a huge plus for health-conscious individuals looking to enjoy guilt-free meals without compromising on safety. Let's talk about some of the key features that make this air fryer a must-have in your kitchen. First, the 100% non-toxic glass basket is designed with safety in mind. Unlike other air fryers that may have chemical coatings, this appliance offers peace of mind with its sturdy construction and a heat dissipation designed to prevent handle melting and fire hazards. Another impressive feature is the panoramic viewing window. This allows you to watch your food cook in real time, transforming from raw to a perfectly golden brown without having to open the fry basket and lose heat. Plus, the air fryer has a flip reminder alert that tells you when to turn your food for even cooking, and it pauses automatically if you pull out the basket mid-cycle, keeping you safe from hot air and burns. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a hassle, but with this air fryer, it's a breeze. The glass bowl is naturally non-stick and dishwasher-safe, so you can spend more time enjoying your meals and less time scrubbing pots and pans. Additionally, the 360-degree rapid heat circulation technology cuts fat by up to 95% compared to conventional deep frying, allowing you to indulge in crispy, delicious meals without the excess calories. Now, who is this air fryer suitable for? With a generous 5-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or anyone who loves to entertain, serving 2 to 4 people comfortably. Its compact design, standing at under 11.5 inches, makes it cabinet-friendly, fitting easily on your countertop or in your pantry without taking up too much space. Despite its small footprint, it can handle a whole 3 pounds chicken, 1.5 pounds of fries, or 15 wings in one go, making it big on food but small on space. The versatility of this air fryer is another significant advantage. Equipped with 8 one-touch presets, you can easily prepare a variety of dishes, from steak and chicken to pizza and more. The adjustable DIY mode allows you to set the temperature between 100 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 60 minutes, giving you complete control over your cooking process. In practical terms, this air fryer is great for busy families looking to whip up healthy meals quickly. Whether you're making crispy fries for movie night, roasting vegetables, or preparing a full meal for guests, this appliance can do it all. It's also an excellent choice for individuals who want to eat healthier without sacrificing the flavors they love. In conclusion, the 5-quart glass air fryer is a thoughtful, innovative solution for anyone looking to enjoy healthier meals without the hassle of traditional frying. With its non-toxic materials, user-friendly features, and compact design, it's a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.